Hello, welcome. This is a video on operations on radicals, and this is the highly proficient level. I'm going to go ahead and explain this, but keep in mind that you could organize this in a lot of different ways. You can use the distributive property and show that with the lines. You could there would be four products that way. You could set it up with doing this in a box and put one thing here, and here, and here, and then go through and get whatever those four different products are, then take them all out and add them together. Combining any that might be like terms. You could do it that way as well. Or you can do it stacking, and that's the way I'm going to do this. But I'm going to first, as I'm stacking them, take care of the fact that I've got a negative under the square root in both of those. So those are going to come out as the imaginary unit I. So I'm going to rewrite this as 2 minus I square root of 12. And then right below that, I'm going to write 3 plus I square root of 3. And all I did was take care of those negatives under the radical. So I took that negative, and those are this I here and this I here. So now I'm going to take and just multiply these together, because that's what this is. If there's no symbol in between the parentheses, that means that they are being multiplied. So I'm going to multiply these out. I'm just going to start I times negative I. That's negative I squared. And then square root of 3 times the square root of 12 would be the square root of, 36. 3 times 12 is 36. And then I've got I square root of 3 times 2. And that would be 2I square root of 3. And then, so I did these two multiplications here and then here. And now I'm going to do from 3 to both of these, there and there. So 3 times negative I root 12. And that'd be negative 3I root 12. And then 3 times 2, which would be 6. And now I've got those four products, and I'm going to want to simplify each of those to see what I can do. So 6 is just, that's what it is. I'm going to take all of these over here. Here's 6. The square root of 12. So I'm going to take this one right here. And I'll do it over here. Just going to do it to the side. Simplify it to the side. So negative 3I, and then I'm going to simplify that square root of 12. 12 is the same as 2 times 6, 2 times 3, and then 3 is prime, so it's 3 times 1. So if I rewrite the square root of 12 as the square root of 2 times 2 times 3, these two 2's are going to come out. The 3 is going to stay. So it comes out as, this is times 2 square root of 3. And then I'll multiply that all together. That's minus 6I square root of 3. All of that is right there. The 3 and the 2 get multiplied. That's negative. Negative times positive. Negative 6I, and then root 3. So I've got, as a result, 2I root 3. That's this, which is right here. And then I've got this minus 6I root 3. I'm going to rewrite it down here again, copying it again. Minus 6I root 3. And the fact that they both have that I root 3 means these are like radicals, so I can combine them. And then this square root of 36, if I've got minus I squared and the square root of 36, so let's use blue. This term right here, I'm going to go over right here. So I've got minus, and then I squared. Well, I squared is the same as negative 1. And then the square root of 36, that is the same as 6. So I've got two negatives. A negative times a negative is positive. So this is plus 1, which times 6 is just plus 6. So all of this right here is plus 6. Now, I'm going to combine all of these that I can combine. This 6 and this 6. That's 12. Negative 6i root 3 plus 2i root 3. Negative 6 plus 2, that'd be negative 4. So minus 4i root 3. And we have taken care of everything. These two are there with the 12. These two are combined. That's the minus 4i root 3. So there is our answer. And that's how you do this. This is one way to do it. It doesn't necessarily mean there's not another way to do it. You might find a better way, but this way works. It certainly works for me. Have a good day.